Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm in Portugal. Yes, I'm in the capital city of Portugal, Lisbon. This is the hilly capital city of Portugal. So I want to go inside there. That is a castle, yeah? But the line is crazy and I don't want to waste much of time. This line, I hope I was to come early, but this is the line everybody's going to, So you can see the rush. So I will try to come back later, but let's explore Portugal, let's explore Lisbon, let's see what Lisbon has to offer. Yeah, so it's a random walk. So I've made it all the way from down coming here, then I found this huge line which will take much of my time getting in, buying a ticket. So let's walk around, we see other beautiful places. So if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button, like, share the videos. Yeah, let's have fun, let's explore Lisbon, Portugal together. Yeah, that's the castle behind me. Yes guys, so we're gonna take a walk just to see around. Still beautiful things to see here. The beautiful setup of the shops, the streets. Everywhere you walk you see this face. I don't know why people love that face so much. I'm not a fan of that game though, but people love it so much here. Yeah, these are beautiful antiques here. Let's explore the narrow streets of Lisbon. You can see the streets are very narrow and lovely, colorful. Yes guys, so Lisbon is a capital city of Portugal. It's a beautiful city and the top of mountain, yeah? Mountainous capital city. Yes, so this is the narrow streets of Portugal, Lisbon.